He's dancing.
He's dancing.
Lily couldn't get out of her tent.
Stop, I can't. Continue your haunted story, just giant ghosts.
No, that's it, they'll just pull out your hair.
They pull your hair?
Yeah.
So funny story. Not funny story, it's just a thing. So there's a phenomenon. Look at that pothole.
Should I go in?
No. There's a phenomenon called the Brown Mountain Lights. And basically, if you're looking at what, like, on Wiseman's view, looking towards, like, Table Rock and, like, the Brown Mountains, I think. I know you look towards Table Rock. Then at night, at certain times, you see these, like, almost like headlight-looking things. But, like, there are no roads up there, like, on Table Rock Mountain. There's no houses, it's just completely, like, remote. And it's not hikers, because they're big, like, it's not headlights, because they're big lights, you know? But it's, like, an unexplained phenomenon.
We talked about it in this room,
Yeah. It was also featured in an episode of Ancient Aliens, so check that out. I don't know if you can get copyrighted. I don't know if you can get copyrighted for even saying that, but yeah. What are you gonna do?
There's no need for the chest strap because it's not like I have shit up my back or on my hands, but I'm gonna put the chest strap on.
Slay.
So there's spots for 2 GoPros, but I only have 1. So slay. Slay. Can't believe I got this for $9.
$9.
Literally, that's crazy. Because this shit goes for like $40.
It was a steal. We saw it at Regear and we were like, we stole it. No, we didn't.
Okay, I might need to hook that.
We saw it at Regear and we were like,
This is a must.
it is.
So time to unhook you.
Cracking my knuckles.
I'm hooking you in. Hey. Come and go. You come and go. Oh my god, why are you taking so long to get there? You go. Hey GoPro, you are now on the chest harness for the first time ever. GoPro, please sponsor me.
I bought some beef jerky.
GoPro, I would.
It kind of smells.
Oh, beef jerky smells, babe. Let me show you guys what you look like. I don't know if you guys can see because I tightened it so I couldn't really.
You're not recording anything.
Yes, I am.
Oh. I thought you were recording on your phone.
This is what you guys look like. Slay. Lily goes, oh, do I wear the fanny pack or is it ugly? Girl, I'm wearing this GoPro chest harness. Like, wait, I don't know if you guys can, like, really see, like, what I look like, but...
Wait, cut the camera. This is what Kiana looks like.
Am I sexy?
Yeah.
Maybe I do need to put the side straps on. Oh my gosh. Dang, they took the sign off.
Whoa.
Wow. Yo, caterpillar.
Oh my gosh.
Whoa.
Caterpillar.
Look at him go, he's so fast. Hey, bud. The way I'm moving my chest camera. Holy moly, guys. Oh, I just ripped. Holy moly. Hey GoPro, you can't see what we're looking at because it's so far away, but that's an eagle. Eagle? Eagle. Dang, he's huge.
It is, look at him.
Oh, that was my shorts. Whoopsies. He's huge, bro.
Every time that I go paddling, like on the Tuck or like the French Broad, I've seen an eagle like cross
That's
over.
sick.
Yeah. They like fish.
They're talking about the porta potties. So when hiking or outdoors, make sure you stay on the designated path and don't stray. Lily and I, however, are the exception. Oh shit. That is a drop. Oh god, I want to fly so bad. Hee hee. Oh my god, I'm taking the shit out of my pockets. I'm not risking it falling. Whoa. Holy crap. Boy, my thighs hurt so much from yesterday. Oh my god, I'm so close to death right now. Normally I'm not scared of heights like this, but Jesus Christ. Okay, there's less of me that's hanging off, and more of me that's on. Excuse me, can you go somewhere else, please? Thanks. I don't know if you guys can see, but the gorge is right there, like where all the water is. And the only thing you can hear up here is the birds and the water, which is sick. And Lily's gone. Lily? Okay.
Here's where we are, and we're looking over the gorge. So there's like the Jimmy's Table Rock, and then Hawksbill, and then I believe in this area, I don't know which ones, but there's ginger cake, or no, Sitting Bear ginger cake.
Slay.
But ginger cake.
Why do I look like that? Oh my god. Hey vlog, we found our spot. Don't know how much you can see because I'm not looking at it. Liam's gonna be joining us, actually.
Yay!
Truck's back there. Road's over there.
Where'd my lighter go?
Lily's over here doing rope stuff. Finished tying the ropes on my tarp. I learned lots about knots. Shout out to Lily. Now Lily's lighting shit on fire. There's ants everywhere, and they're all like flying ants, which is fun and exciting.
Very odd.
Hey guys, we found a snake egg. You could tell it's a snake egg because it did that instead of being solid. Yeah. Smile. Slay. Guys, I'm gonna go in my bug net real quick. I sat on the bug net. Lily, pull me up.
Whip for force to rescue.
It got my head. Oh fuck.
Hold on, ready? 1, 2, 3. Use your muscles.
What muscles?
What fucking camping? We have our kitchen area, and there's sleeping area.
Hey vlog, Ranger Lily is gonna take you on a tour of the campsite while I take a nap. Hey vlog. Oh my god, I'm so pale in this. The lighting.
I don't even know what I look like because I was wearing a hat all day. So you're seeing hat hair Lily. Okay, so we're on a tour of the campsite. Here's our campsite. We have our little water station, I guess, and some cool little like bug light things. Sleeping area number 1, Kiana's sleeping area. That's Liam's sleeping area. This is Kiana's, and this is mine. I haven't put the second part of the tarp. I needed to flip it over, but I'm just chilling in there right now. So Kiana's taking a nap. This is our this is our little kitchen hangout area. We've got a little propane stove. We're about to make some burrito bowls. Super fun. Food over there that'll be stored in the truck. I hope a bear doesn't break into the truck. My table's not big enough.
Oy. What's poppin', vlog? Damn, she already boiling. We just put her down 2 seconds ago.
It's tofu.
You tell him, bro. Vlog, please explain to me why Lily brought Diablo sauce.
For the burritos.
Hey vlog, she brought an incense match and she's singing Slay as she cleanses our campsite. But it's good vibes.
It's for good vibes.
I'm appreciating it. It's just the fact that she's singing Slay while she does it. It's like ritualistic.
Good vibes. Good vibes only.
You're in love with me.
Oh my god, I'm trying to adjust my crazy creep.
Lips. Why is this thing like sideways? Oh, I think it's because I was like, whatever. Whatever way you turn it on is the way it stays. So I'll just have to adjust this based on whatever. Lips as sweet as candy. His taste is on my mind.
Sing.
Girl, you got me thirsty for another cup of wine. When I'm apart from you, girl.
I'm struggling over here. Why is it leaning one way?
I'm hooked on a feeling. I'm high on believing that you're in love with me. Kumbaya, my lord. Kumbaya.
We have to sing it around the fire.